Hello. In this video, I want to talk about SAP HANA data volume partitioning. SAP HANA data volume partitioning has been introduced to SAP HANA since HANA release to SPS 3 revision 35 since 2018, December 20. And you can check the SAP note 2400005 for a little bit extra details regarding the SAP HANA data volume partitioning. Yeah, life without HANA data volume partitioning will be as tough as maintaining Burj Khalifa, and even tougher since there are several elevators inside Burj Khalifa to serve people to the stories. But on an unpartitioned HANA partition, there will be only one IO to do the all read-write processes from the one single partition. So it will create a lot of bottleneck. That will mean longer HANA starts and a longer load to the memory and the longer backup times and the longer restores. And even those restore and the restore times could be longer than your SLA, which can cause you to breach your SLA. So it is kind of important to consider as data volume partition. Yeah, plan before it is too late, because when it is easier to plan when the data is smaller, and then when it is large. So it will take a lot of time for you to stop the system, add the disks, and then expand through the new partitions. So it will create more time. It will cost you. So it is better to consider almost from the very beginning, actually. So in that case, I would say do the partitioning and better partition than not partitioning. With the partition, you will gain more performance. You will have faster I/O, so the data will be loaded to memory faster, and the faster backups, faster restores, and this will give you more control on your data, and that you will experience less troubles and from the system, and your system will be less complex, because when you are building one single partition and you grow on a one single partition, so maintaining the system, and it will be easier to break that one single partition system. But when you expand the partition to data to several partitions, so it will be easier for you to maintain the system as well. So in that case, I would call SAP data partitioning as like a fast track train with a cheaper ticket, and not partitioning I can resemble as a heavy track train with a more expensive ticket. That's how we can resemble. So consider the SAP data volume partitioning before it's too late. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to thumbs up, and if you want, just subscribe and follow. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.